back to Iron Slug's Garage. Hopefully you guys can hear me better. I got a microphone. But on today's episode, we get this bed floor finished, fenders put on, and I'll talk a little bit about my fuel fill. I've got a question about it, so I'll go a little bit of detail on how I got that and what my plan is going forward. And unfortunately, I did run into a few mistakes, but you know, I'm too far in to even sweat about it. You know, I just want to get together, have some fun this summer, and then, you know, I'll rip the bed off and fix what I did wrong here. So let me real quick show you what's going on. First of all, got the American flag bed floor. It looks awesome. I love it. You know, I'm no expert, but I just cut some strips of wood. Got some blue stain, some red stain, some natural finish, and then a 50-star template. And I just rattle canned those white. Okay, back to my problems. Here we go. You will see it when it's on the ground. Right now it can't tell. When I put this bed on, I had the fenders cut pretty good to where they clear the rail further back. But when I took the fenders off, put the bed back on, scooted it up to the cab here, and I moved it too far forward, unfortunately. So I had to trim a little bit off. This side I kind of got away with it without trimming up the fender. Just a little bit of a gap here. Again, I'm not too worried. The other side, however, I had to cut off quite a bit more. And where does that leave me? My rear tire is way too far back. I probably got this much space. It sucks. Just gonna deal with it. Hopefully you guys don't clown on me too much. But to fill in the gap a little bit, I'm gonna bring my exhaust out here and to fill in that gap. So hopefully it takes your eyes away from how awful my bed is sitting on the truck. So that's my issue there. Just gotta scoot the bed back a little bit. Not to the running boards yet. I'm not worried about moving forward. I want to get this bed section done, the lights wired up in the rear. Yeah, my battery, it's under the bed floor. I installed a kill switch so I can kill that out. I think that's where we're at so far with the bed. So, you know, still got some work to do. So let's get to it. Well, I am running into a small problem. When I put my bed down, I put it too far forward. I didn't have my fenders on at the time, so I couldn't really determine where it was going to sit. But my bed overall was further back, so now my initial cut used to clear the frame cutout, and now it doesn't. So I have to cut some more out of it, and it kind of sucks here. The wheel, it's way too much in the back of the fender, and just too deep to call it call that quits. Now we're just gonna roll with it. You know, hopefully have a little fun in it this summer and rip this bed apart and try it all over again. So it's kind of where I'm at. It's a bummer, but can't stop now. So keep moving. Alrighty, this will about sum it up for this episode. Yeah, as you saw, bed's too far forward. I just tried to get my my wheel on, and I have to take a little bit more out of the fender, hopefully, and that'll solve the problem. As I said, I also got the hood flip kit started. Don't buy it from eBay, you don't get everything, and you don't get instructions. So, dealing with that one. Yep, so, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and we'll have some more coming out soon. There's one thing I forgot to add in the video. Let me add it in real quick. Fill. The fill neck. How about that? The fill neck. It is right here. Don't mind this part of it. It's gonna be covered up. What I'm thinking I'll do is get a ammo container. Lift the lid. Up the fill. You get the idea. I think that'd be kind of cool. For anybody who's doing the swap or done the swap, you know that your fill tube is going to stick out like here in the fender, up here, somewhere in this area. It's very long. Here's what I did. I got a 45, not a 90 like I thought. I got a 45 tube, and it's running right up there, if you could see it. Hey, 3 hands. So let's try to get you in there. So there's the gas tank, the fill tube, going straight up. Yeah, and so the vent tube has a little click deal. I cut that off because that as well was very long. And so I actually just ran a small tube and just connected it right to the fill neck where it is. So yeah, that's about it. Really simple. Yep, that's it for the fuel fill. But it's a new day, so I'm gonna get some more work done.